This is Eric Muathe, Mother.com. It is March 26th, 2020. And we can see here, market staging another morning move to the upside. Let's take a look at Boeing as a follow-up to yesterday's video. We can see for the day, Boeing is up an additional 13% after yesterday's nice move. Even as it is moving higher, just want to, again, as a follow-up to yesterday's video, this is going to be part 2. Prices are moving higher, but net, as far as the daily is concerned, we are still within this potential resistance area. And I call it a potential resistance area because remember from yesterday's video, we were talking about the stock has spent all this time here below the 30.9 RSI threshold, which means that there's a very high likelihood of testing recent lows, either on a daily closing basis or the actual intraday lows, based on the fact that we spent a lot of time below this 30.9 level. It's another way of saying that this line here might eventually end up being a successful backtest failure. In other words, a failure of that line. If we take a look at the 2 hourly, again, come back to the line that we were looking at yesterday based on a recent breakpoint. This line is being tested even as the stock is moving higher. We can see that based on uniformity, this is where it needs to decide what to do. If it's to move higher, it needs to clear this area on the RSI and move beyond it, so prices can have a chance of moving higher. Otherwise, more than likely, given the nice 2 days up move, this is more and more looking like an area of potential resistance and a move lower. Keep in mind, again, we also spent a lot of time below RSI 30.9. Let me conclude here with a look at the gain for the week. And the gain for the week here is 86% as of right now. Keep in mind, again, this is the big picture. The stock needs to stay above RSI 30.9, otherwise movement back below RSI 30.9 will suggest continued sideways to down action. So personally, I would be looking for a reversal if I was playing this from a hour-to-hour, day-to-day perspective in a very short-term swing trading. Then I would be looking for a reversal lower based on resistance on the daily and on the 2 hourly. This is Eric Muathe with Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETFs. And again, as Boeing goes, so will the market, based on similar looking charts for the general markets. Peace and blessings. ETFs.